Hey there, Mike from CurrentWare here, going to show you how to set up web-based email alerts in BrowseReporter. First, you're going to go to BrowseReporter, Manage, and then go to the third icon that looks like a bell. This main screen will show you any existing alerts that you have set up. To configure new ones, go to New Alert. There are two web-based alerts that you can set up. The first one will be URL, and the second one will be categories of pages. I'll show you both. First, URL. Give it a relevant name. Enter the email address of the administrator that you want to receive the emails. Select Add Domains. You can add multiple here, but let's just add YouTube for now. Select to save the options. Threshold is the amount of times that the user can hit the page before it will send out the alert. Computer and users, select the user or user groups that you want to have the alert set up for. I'm just going to select my accounting group, and it will show me all my accounting computers. I've now set up that alert, and I can press Save Alert to enter it. To do the category alert, just select Category. Here, you're adding the categories. Let's use social networks. It's a pretty common one. Add it over to the alert category list and select. Similar to the regular URL alert, it's based on the amount of hits that they go to a social network page. You can give it a relevant name and save the alert. You've now set up alerts for URL or categories.